Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with 9 gaming smartphones that are available in different price point in tomorrow's big saving day. Before wasting any time, let's get into the video. Under 15k. First gaming smartphone under 15k is Poco F1, which is having Snapdragon 845 SoC, which is so powerful, which can have no compromises with your gaming performance. Second smartphone that has taken our second place is Redmi Note 8 Pro, which is having MediaTek Helio G90 processor, which is a gaming processor which can even compete with Snapdragon 845. This is the clear proof. Antutu benchmark clearly shows G90 is very powerful. That's why I have just taken this gaming smartphone in second place, and this is the overall breakdown of the processor segment. So it is very powerful, guys. 2.05 and 2.0 GHz. So this processor is very nice. That's why I have included this in our list. Third gaming smartphone under this price point is Realme 7, which is having MediaTek Helio G95 SoC, which is so powerful than 845 and G90, which was present in Redmi Note 8 Pro. That's why I have included this phone in this price list. So this is having even 90 fps, so that's why I have included this one. Next, let's get into the 20k price point. So in 20k price point, this is little higher processor when we compared with 15k processor, because this is having 855 octa-core chipset, which is built under 7nm process. So this gaming phone is having AMOLED display also. So with this processor and AMOLED display, nothing is comparable with this device under 20k price point. Next, let's get into the 25k segment, which is not a budget segment, which is mid-range segment. With this price point, you can have 90 fps and 5G capable. First phone under this segment is OnePlus Nord, which is having 765 SoC, which is so powerful, which is very powerful than mid-range smartphones, and which is equivalent to flagship smartphones. That's why I have taken this one in my list. Second phone under this price point is Realme X3, which is having Snapdragon 855 SoC and 120Hz refresh rate, which is so smooth and so fast than OnePlus Nord. This is the best device under 25k. Next, let's get into the 45k price point. From this price point, we can have OnePlus 8, which is having 865 SoC, which is so powerful under this price point. And from this price point, you will be having the same chipset from 45 to 60k. So this is so powerful with 90Hz refresh rate also. So let's go to 50k price point, which is so powerful gaming phone. From this price point, we can take ROG 3 smartphone, which is having 865 SoC with 144Hz refresh rate, which is a completely gaming smartphone. So without any issue, you can buy this smartphone. Under 60k price point, we have got only one smartphone, OnePlus 8 Pro, which is so powerful, which is equivalent to Asus ROG 3. And if you are a person who is well concentrated on a brand device, then this brand will be very satisfied for you guys. 865 SoC with 120 fps, so you can play the game very smooth, and this is a smartphone that comes under 60k price point. I've just given you several devices with several price point, but all these devices are fully concentrated on gaming performance, full gaming performance. I've taken every gaming performance and I've just given you this list. So if you're a non-gamer, this video will not be satisfying you guys. Several devices I have not included. Samsung I have not at all included, so because price point will be very high for buying. So price point for Samsung will be like 80,000, 70,000 and 1 lakh. So that's why I have not included Samsung device, guys. Samsung lovers, sorry for this thing, guys. And if you want content like this in my channel, please do comment down below and just subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and give like to this video and share with your friends. That's it, guys. This is Noob Innovative signing off.